You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Buick Enclave. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Buick Enclave, the midsize luxury SUV that gives you command of the road in safety and comfort with all the mod cons. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows. Its responsive performance lets you command the road, while its luxuries enfold you. The Enclave may just make you forget you're driving an SUV.